this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Oh, he just fucking damaged his mirror.
No, he just pushed it in, but still.
Oh, he just hit more of it?
Oh, he just took the whole front end off. Oh yeah, he just smoked. You heard it twice. He hit the side of that fucking truck as he went by.
Will he be able to flip it over? We just had a PI involving some Firetruck out here. Send rescue. You guys okay?
Look at this right here. Oh, nearly flipped him over. Oh my goodness, look at that now.
It's my life, it's now or never, but I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live, alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to live, alive. It's my
Ay, Dios mío. ¿Ya? Ay, mi madre.
personas cambian, güey.
Question is, how the fuck did he do it? Wow, fucking yes, good. How the fuck did he do that?
This car right here had run up under this ass truck. Man, thank God he didn't hit it and blow up, man. This is incredible. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. It's going sideways. Trailer sideways. What the heck?
You've got to be kidding me.
Careful. He's acting like he can't turn his truck. So, yeah, he's a black male, glasses. He has a blue bag on, black shirt.
It's a semi with a forklift. Watch him back in. It's crazy.
Oh no. He's trying to back up. Oh, there's good people.
Screaming pin! I need to. Hey, I can say.
I mean, how do you pit that thing? How do you pit that thing? You're not gonna be able to stop him until he runs out of gas.
Yeah.
God.
Okay, okay.
Miren, estas son las clases de choferes que hay que matarlo, ¿eh? El tipo dio un giro mal, está mal cuadrado, es un novato. Y entonces el hombre está trancado aquí, no quiere ni echar para atrás, no se quiere dejar ayudar, no se quiere bajar el camión, está negado a todo. Y una cuestión tan fácil de arreglar, porque aquí lo que tú tienes que hacer es echar para atrás con los cauchos rectos, así, vas ganando espacio atrás y después a la curva. Claro, él la rete cagó muchísimo Ya les voy a explicar por qué. La red te cagó muchísimo porque está sumamente pegado a la reja. Ve dónde está el trailer. Pero ya en ese punto, tú lo que tienes es que echar para atrás derechito. Ya la reja la pegaste. Echar para atrás derechito para ganar espacio atrás para poder dar la vuelta. El hombre le dije, mira, vale, bájate y yo te ayudo a manejar. No, subió. Y tiene aquí una parranda de camiones trancando la salida.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
Just wait a sec. Oh, here it is.
Why aren't more people intelligent?
Boom.
Like me.
Bam. Rolled into the telephone pole.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.